Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. Today I'm going to make 2 Agarwood bracelets for a local customer. This one is Hetian Agarwood from Vietnam. She requested a simple design and asked for light color beads to match. So I prepare an amber bead for her. And this piece will be given to her mom. It's Brunei Agarwood. At first, she wanted to use a round Hetian jade bead to match it. And then I told her that the barrel bead with Hetian symbol looks perfect with the Agarwood, and it also has a good meaning. So she agreed, and I will be making this one with a braided style because she doesn't know her mom's resize. Okay, let's make it with 3 quarts. If you want to know how to make elastic bracelets with 3 quarts, please click the recommended video above. In fact, there are many kinds of agarwood which are basically produced in Southeast Asian countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, Brunei, even China. And agarwood of different origins have different colors, textures, fragrances. Many customers will ask, is agarwood natural? The agarwood products selling in the market are all 99% are artificially cultivated, and the natural fragrant agarwood trees are very rare, super rare. But there are also some merchants who add fragrance to the ordinary wooden beads and sell as agarwood. Okay, let me try it. She has my wrist size. Add 1 more bead. Perfect. Okay. The fragrance of agarwood comes from the oil of the wood. I'll show you. This is my agarwood bracelet. It's like a mala type. You see the oil from the wood? And this piece is from Kalimantan, Indonesia. And do you know that agarwood can be made essential oil? The aroma of agarwood is not very strong, but it will last forever. For example, normally you can smell the fragrance at this distance. You can smell it like from here. Okay? So the two bracelets are done, and I finally replaced the largest and the smallest piece from this bracelet. Now it looks even, not that weird. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.